What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? I'm Ghost Rogue. I'm part of the Ghost Rogue fam. Well, I am the Ghost Rogue fam. We're all the Ghost Rogue fam. Here's Kason with me too. Tell him hi. We got something really cool that we have here. It was delivered yesterday, but I'm gonna unbox it today because I was really busy yesterday when it came. This is a rooftop tent. Not just any ordinary rooftop tent. This is the Roofnest Condor XL. It sleeps up to 4 people, I think, if I remember correctly. And we're gonna be unboxing this thing today. And Casey's actually gonna help me with this unboxing. And Lesen's here just to, you know, be here with us. Okay, go get it. He's a funny little kid. But yeah, man, like we have a lot of plans. Well, I have a lot of plans for this thing. You know, I want to go out there and travel a little bit. I want to go explore, hiking, fish. And I feel like this will help me, you know, do that. We're gonna be putting this on my passport. You guys have seen the passport in previous videos. I just got my roof racks installed yesterday. So that's where we're gonna be putting it on. I'll show you guys the roof racks as well. So Kason, in order for Kason to help me, we went to Target and we got toys, right? He wanted something, so I said, hey, if you want these toys, you're gonna have to earn it. You're gonna have to help me unbox, and we're gonna clean the garage. So that's what he has to do to earn these toys. But will he actually help? I don't know. But I mean, I guess it gives him something to do, I guess. Let's do it. Come on, Kason. Let's find a way to rip this right here. Okay, so we're gonna. Oh, it's like Christmas right here. Go run around. You have to run around. Go run around. Go. Box cutter. Oh, this sucks. It's a lot of stuff. Yeah, I just lifted like 250 pounds. I go to the gym, I work out a little bit, I don't know if you guys can tell. As far as my little helper, he's right there. Kason, you need to come pick this up, we're gonna throw it away. Yeah, come on. All right, come on. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pick up all this stuff and we're gonna put it in the recycle, okay? Come on, pick up all the stuff. Pick up all of them like this and we're gonna put it in the recycle.
Not this one? Not the green one?
Is we're gonna lay it down and open it up. Smash my finger. Okay. Are you excited for this, Kason?
Yeah.
You're excited for it?
Yeah.
Yeah? You're already in love with it, huh? 1, 2, 3.
It's like a pillow.
It's not a pillow.
Oh,
Woo! Look at that! Oh my goodness!
Wait, is that the car?
Alright, so some of the stuff we got are gonna be, I think this is just a pouch to put extra things in. We got, what is this, cleaning stuff, oils, just in case stuff gets messed up. We got a wrench, oh nice. That's a pretty good one too. And we got the manual, which is what we're gonna need. And then we got our bars in here. Oh, what's this? We got our bars in here for the roof rack, which are right here. So, it's not too bad. Yeah, here's a look at everything. So, let's read this manual and see how we open this thing. Well, she got to go in there. How is it, Leslie? No idea what this is. This is the dirt mat for the roof nest. These are your shoe racks and other storage bins for shoes so don't get dirt inside of the tent. And then these are for, what are these called? The awnings? No, not the awnings. What are these called? What are these? The shade things. Alright, so we're going inside the tent, or taking a look inside the tent. Here's Leslyn, looking all cute and stuff. Okay, Leslyn, I see you all here. Looking cute. This thing is freaking big, man. Holy crap. A lot of views in here. Why are you smiling for? You're gonna have a good time here, huh? Can't wait to go out there and take some photography? Yeah?
Here comes Kason.
Here comes Kason. Come on, Kason. Come over here. How's your eyes? Okay, come here. Get in. Let's go. What'd you think?
I like this.
You like it?
Covered it.
Here, you take the camera in. Take the camera in with you. Tell mommy about it. What'd you think?
I like this.
Yeah?
Go.
Oh, it smells weird in here. Is this what new tent smells like?
Well, it's vinyl and plastic.
Covered it. It's flying.
It's really roomy in here. But the way to set it up too is like, you can roll this stuff up. Oh, this is for the LED strip right here.
Whoa.
Do you have a battery pack, Leslie? But it has a light strip in here, which I thought it had some outside too. It probably does. I haven't found the connection for it, the connector for it yet. Which it should be in here. Little entryway now. It's really nice. I'm really excited for this. I'm hoping. So I'm not gonna take it out right now. Give me about like a week, and I'm probably gonna take it out. It's probably gonna be me and Nike, because I think Nike deserves to go out. Me and him, you know, it's me and him for a little bit. Take him exploring, take him fishing, let him go roam a little bit. He's older now, and I've always wanted to do that with him. And you know, I feel like the first time should be me and Nike.
You just have to get him some shots.
Yeah. And then the next time would be the family and I. Now Kim and Aaron are not gonna be here until winter time because they weren't doing so good in school.
Well, just Kim.
Yeah, mainly it's just Kim, yeah. So they're not gonna be coming during the summer. This is what I was trying to get it for. Because a friend of mine, his name's Ton. Ton, if you're watching this, thank you so much, dude. He said the memories I'm gonna create with this thing and going out with the kids, it's gonna be some of the best times, and that's what I'm hoping for. So Ton, thank you for helping me choose everything I need. I appreciate it, man. Also, Donovan, if you watch this video, shout out to my boy Donovan, aka Sunshine. You know who I'm talking to. Yeah, I told you I got you. But yeah, man, this is something I'm really excited for. All right, while recording this, the kids across the street, they want to say hi. So you guys can come say hi.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
They're getting ready for the vlog too, guys. So another cool thing I'm going to be using this for is this sunroof. I'm going to be removing the rain flies some nights, and or like rolling it up and using it for astrophotography, putting my telescope in here. Maybe I can get a better view or something like that, and put my star tracker on here and do some more astrophotography, because that's something I really love doing. But that'll be pretty cool. But yeah, this is nice, man. I'm really excited for next week. I wish this would have came sooner. I probably would have been gone already. But look at the memories it's already creating. He's super excited. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Please make sure to leave a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one, which will probably be the same thing with this one, but when I go traveling. We'll see. Who knows? Who knows? Alright guys, peace out.
Say bye, Kason.
Bye.